Hello everyone, this is Stephen KC Railpan here. Hope everyone had a great Christmas and a happy holidays, because my Christmas was really great. So, what I have here is one more product review I'm going to be doing for the year of 2022. This is a recent release from ScaleTrains that I recently just got, and I'm really excited to unbox this for you. So, when you may be wondering what is this, so it's basically in a new packaging. It is their Dash 9 locomotive. And my example I have is this one right here. It is the BNSF Heritage 1-9, number 987. This is in their as delivered paint. So I'm actually really excited to be unbox this, so let's get to it. So slide it off like that. And you can see it's got the operator's manual, the foam packaging, and there's the locomotive itself. It looks very nice. So I'm going to set the camera down again and we'll get this out of the box. So there it is. And it also comes with a Ziploc bag. This is all the bearing caps for like replacements. Now you just with the top like this, and there is the locomotive right here. There it is. Wow, that's really beautiful looking. So I'll get the locomotive onto the tracks and we'll begin the review. Alright, so starting off with the front of the locomotive. So knowing the fact that this is a rivet counter locomotive, it's got all the details you needed, like MU hoses, train line hoses, coupler, and then grab irons. It's also got the windshield wipers. Here, I'll zoom in so you can see them. It's very nice, crisp. Paint is nicely done. It's got really nice handrails. And if you go across, you can see the top. It's got some pretty nice details on the roof. Since this is the as-delivered version of the Dash 9, it basically does not have the PTC on top, like what the real 987 has right now. And if you move along, you can see the 3-chime horn. Not sure what that is. That could be likely a K3L or K3LA horn, because I know some of the H1-9s had the K3L horns, which are normally found like on CN and CP locomotives. And it's got the see-through grill. You can see that. It's got lots of see-through detail, and it's got the bearing caps that rotate when the locomotive is in motion. Very nice detail on the fuel tank. Also here, it's got a cab interior, but unfortunately I don't think you can remove the cab roof. It's got some builder's plate bottom. That's very stunning, and the rear has some good detail there as well. And also the headlight is nicely done too. And the steps are see-through, you can see. Very nice. So now I'm going to turn the locomotive around. So I'll show you. So here's the other side. It looks nicely done. Very nice detail. Paint job is nice and crisp. Everything on it is very nice. And there's the bell. So I'll leave my shadow. Nicely done. So now let's see how the locomotive runs. Runs very nice and smooth and really quiet. And it's got the, as you can see, the headlights and ditch lights are nicely done. They're bright LEDs. So now I'll show you the bearing caps that they rotate, because this is actually one of the coolest features. course, ScaleTrains Rivet counter products. So, look carefully. You rotate. It's nicely done. And also, I'm going to turn the locomotive around so I can show you something else interesting. So this is, one other neat feature is that, as you can see, there's a light right here. I believe that the light near the step right here is basically what's used to help the train crew see the step so without tripping at nighttime. So I think that's a really cool feature. I really love that. If you can see that light right there. I think that's a really cool feature. So let me just do one more test run of it one more time. So I'm just gonna set the camera right here. Let's see. And there it is. So I'm actually really impressed with this model, and the fact that ScaleTrains did an excellent job improving their products over time with, with the lighting, the details on their products, and I'm really glad that they were able to do the H1-9 rivet counter, because when they did do H1 and Operator, but Operator, as you know, is the budget-friendly line, and I was going to think about getting an Operator-9 in the BNSF, but didn't think about enough time, so probably they're all sold out. Now they're getting really hard to find. So, anyways, this is still a great looking model. We'd definitely recommend it. The -9s, because there's like NS, they got CN, Southern Pacific, Union Pacific, Chicago Northwestern, and also the GE Demonstrator and all that. And I'll think about probably getting more of these. Another one of these, like maybe y'all might get NS sometime in the future. Depends on what road numbers they have in stock and if I got the money for it. Because money's a bit tight for me right now because of my job and everything. So yeah. So, anyways, that's gonna basically do for my last product review for 2022. So the -9 is really a nice locomotive. So yeah. So thank y'all for watching, and hope you guys liked this review. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a happy New Year's, everyone.